Hi everybody, JC back here. I'm going to go over with you a few more advanced features which will especially be important for you to turn in your final project to us. Garth went over some of his advanced features, how to customize your icons and all that, but hopefully you're picking this up, and if you have any questions please let us know or refer back to these tutorials. For the advanced features, I'm going to go over how to share this. Again, you will be making them public so we can view them. You can share with colleagues, you can have your students share with you. These are just like Google Docs. And then I'm going to show you how to add a Google Doc on here, so that way you can upload or have your lesson plan and a link on this. Okay, so and then if you have another website, we'll show you how to put this on there and a couple other options that is available. So first thing I would like to do is take you back to My Maps and get started with that. And here we can see, here's Garth and our map that we've been working on. Okay, so here's a map that we've been working on, and we're primarily going to be focusing over here on this section where we have many different options. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to share this with other people. There are several different options. It is just like a Google Doc, if you are familiar with that. You can have shared collaboration between colleagues, or all these other options. These may be different on yours compared to what type of network your school is on or whatever account you're using. But basically, public on the web, and anybody who's searching for it can find it, or anyone who has a link can have it there. Our school is set up that just people within this district can have access to it, or anyone with a link. Okay, or if you just want to share it with specific people, you choose that option. So we're going to turn all of these on and make it public to the web, so that way when you send us the link through your discussion board, we can click on it and do our grading. Okay, so that is how you share through that, and I'm going to save this, and then everyone will have access. It is now public on the web. Okay, and then with these three dots here, okay, a couple other features to do. We can have another one is embedding on your site. It must be public first. If you have another like a class website or something that you're using, all you would do to embed is copy this and paste it right into your Google Sites or Weebly or whatever you're using. Okay. And the final thing, which we don't use too much, if you export this to KML or KMZ, this can actually overlay onto Google Earth. So it's just a little different feature. You can go 3D and all that stuff. It's a little advanced to do. It takes some time to download and upload and all that, but if you want to mess around with that, feel free. Okay. Again, from here you can start a new map, copy a map, open a map. So if you have maybe you start your own and a student moves in halfway through the year, you can send them a copy of the map, and then they can start working from there. Okay. But what I would like to show you now is how to take your lesson plan and make it available for public view. So I'm just going to select this, and let's see if Garth has anything. Nothing there. So what I'm going to do is select the edit tool, okay, and that will open up. I'm going to keep that the same, and I'm just going to say here is my lesson plan. Okay, and again you will be posting yours up here in Greenland. I'm just adding to this to show you another feature. Okay, so here's my lesson plan, and when you hit enter, it does hit save. Okay, so whenever you have your Google Doc open, you simply select file, and then we are going to publish this to the web. Okay, a couple different options you have. You can link or embed. I just want your link here, so you are going to publish this document, allow this to happen, and then copy your link right there. When I select copy and I go back to the My Maps, I will paste it in there and select save. We showed you some options about slideshows you could put in there. Just anything I use my students, if we fill out a chart or something, or if they, whatever work they do, I have them make it public and post the links on here. So now if I close this out and click on this link, it should take us right back to where we were. Okay. So it's not going to look exactly the same. This is just what's up there. So we'll see your lesson plan, be able to grade it, finding that in Greenland again. Okay. And when you are selecting preview, this is what it will look like. This is what we will see. Okay. So I appreciate your time and your effort so far, and hopefully you have a good time and find this useful for your class. Thank you very much.